Hello kids, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel Smart Kids. This is Fayaz. Today we will be discussing on mathematics subject. Today where I have decided to discuss division today. What is division? Division is a process of splitting a specific amount into equal parts. There are various elements that we have in division. They are divisor. A divisor is any number that divides another number. Dividend. The number being divided is called the dividend. Quotient. The result of the division is called the quotient. The remainder. The value that is left over after dividing one number with by another number is called remainder. Let us understand these elements with the help of an example. So I have taken 20 divided by 10. So here 10 being the divisor, dividend being 20. So in order to do this calculation, we need to multiply 10. 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20. So considering we are getting 10 twos are 20, I'll be writing 20 here and 2 in the quotient's place. So leaving a remainder of 0. So here the divisor becomes 10, dividend is 20 and 2 being the quotient and remainder being 0. Hope you have understood elements. Let's now move on to the methods of division. There are four methods of division: equal sharing, division as repeated subtraction, division using multiplication table, and long division. Let us see one after the other. First, equal sharing. Let us understand equal sharing with the help of an example. There are total number of apples that we have as 6. Number of friends are 3. So apples each friend will get, we have to find out. So in order to write it in the equation format, we have to write 6 divided by 3 is equal to how much? So let's do it together, children. So if I am writing in the form of the problem solving, so 6 becomes the dividend, 3 becomes the divisor. So 6, we need to multiply 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So we will be writing 2 here in the quotient's place. The result will be 6, the remainder being 0. So we 6 apples will be divided among 3 friends. So thereby each friend will be getting 2 apples each. 3 friends will be getting 2 apples each. So the result and is 2 apples will each friend will be getting. Total apples being 6. So this can also be written in the format of 3 groups will be getting 2 apples each. Total being 6. Hope you have understood equal sharing, children. So let's move on to the division by repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction is also called as backward skip counting. So here let's understand with the help of an example. 30 divided by 5. So in order to do this, we need to do the backward counting or backward skip counting, which is 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. We need to do this until we get 0. Then 25, the resultant of the previous step, minus 5. 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. Then previous second step resultant, 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. Fifteen minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then we have 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So we need to do any problem using this repeated subtraction till we get 0 as a final answer. So when we do in this fashion, we have 6 steps that we have to do. 30 minus 5 is equal to 25 being the first. Then 25 minus 5 is equal to 20. 20 minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. So I have to do it 6 times. Hence our answer will be 5 has been subtracted 6 times. So hence the answer is also 6. Hope you have understood this, children. Let's now move on to division using multiplication. We use multiplication tables in this method of smaller numbers to get the answer of division problem. So to understand this, I have taken a simple example. There are 3 cakes and 18 strawberries. Find out how many strawberries are required to decorate each cake. So if I have to write in the form of equation, I'll be writing 18 strawberries divided by 3 is equal to how much? Let us do, children, how we are doing this. So considering 3 is the divisor here that we have, 3 into 1 is equal to 3. 3 2s 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. We should be doing the multiplication till we get dividend as our final answer. So we got the dividend which is 18 at 3 into 6 is equal to 18. So we need to stop it here. Hence our answer is 6. So in order to decorate 3 cakes, we need 6 strawberries each. Each cake requires 6 strawberries, and which means 666 will be used. to decorate three cakes. Hope you've understood this method as well. Let's now move on to the final method, which is long division method. To understand long division method, let's take this example of 505 divided by 5. So we will be 505 is the dividend, 5 being the divisor. So 5 into 1 will be 5 that we get. The resultant will be 0. In order to bring down 0 here, what I need to do is also write 0 in the quotients place. Then take 5 as the next. Take 5, bring down 5 here. Then we have 5 into 1, which becomes 5. So considering I have the resultant 5 here, 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Now when I subtract 5 minus 5 will be 0. So as there is no further division to be taken, as we got the final remainder as 0, hence our answer will be 101. As our quotient is 101, the answer that we have is 101. So hope you have understood the long division as well, children. Thanks for watching my video. Please do like the video, share with your friends, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. I will be back with another video very soon. Until then, take care. Bye bye.